Krogan, what are you doing? You're so silly. How does it feel to be 14 months old and to have a pack and play put up for the first time ever for you to play with? It's totally awesome, huh? What was that? What are you doing? Mommy's going to make that into a cave for you. Where are you going? Oh, yeah? Can you say Krogan out? Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. 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 You don't want to wave? You're so silly.